Check out this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front bucket, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing speed-flex fuel with active fuel management, emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Convenience package, All-Star Edition, tires, P265/65R18 off-road, white outline letter, rear vision camera, Z71 appearance package and the suspension package, off-road. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.